Court highlighted the clear and present danger, a menace that is hurting Sabka Saath in New Delhi. Calling it very serious issue, the top court has said that forced conversions affect the security of the nation and the freedom of religion and conscience. Not mincing any words, the Supreme Court asked the centre to step in, warning that if it is not stopped, a difficult situation may emerge. Putting the onus on the NDA Sarkar, the Supreme Court directed the centre to take a stand on the matter and file a response within a week, informing the steps that are being taken to prevent such an occurrence. The petitioner also contended that there isn't one district in the country that is free of religious conversion. He said that forced conversions takes place either by force or by form of some inducement. Let's listen into the petitioner's side as well and exactly what the court had to say.
या तो इंडियन पिनल कोड का चैप्टर 15 जो ऑफेंस रिलेटिंग टू रिलीजन है वो चैप्टर 15 को अमेंड किया जाए, नहीं तो पार्लियामेंट के द्वारा एक सेपरेट एक एंटी कन्वर्जन लॉ बनाया जाए। माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इसको बहुत गंभीर मामला माना है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि हमारी राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के लिए खतरा है, ये हमारे राष्ट्र के लिए खतरा है और कन्वर्जन फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन में नहीं आता। हमें राइट टू रिलीजन है लेकिन राइट टू कन्वर्जन नहीं है। साम दाम दंड भेद द्वारा धर्मांतरण ये अपराध है, इसको अपराध घोषित होना चाहिए। ये माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी महसूस किया है कि हाँ, ये गंभीर मामला है। माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज केंद्र सरकार को एक सप्ताह का टाइम दिया है। एक सप्ताह के अंदर उन्होंने बोला अपना जवाब दाखिल करिए और 28 नवंबर को सुप्रीम कोर्ट इस पर फिर से सुनवाई करेगा।
Meanwhile, when it comes to the petitioner's side and the Supreme Court highlighting that there is a certain lobby that has always branded forceful conversion as a bogey raised by the BJP and the RSS, today seems to be silent. As a former Congress MP, Ghulam Nabi Azad has justified conversions by saying that good work and the character of individuals which influence the people. Similarly, when it comes to the Karnataka government that brought upon an anti-conversion bill, the Congress party in particular branded the bill as an attack on the minorities.
Supreme Court has expressed its concern, and I think it is timely that the Supreme Court has expressed its concern. No matter what, it is a bad thing. Any kind of forced behavior, particularly in the matter of religion and spirituality, is very bad, and I'm very glad that Supreme Court is attending to it.
That whatever Supreme Court has said, we welcome it, we abide by it. But then forced anything is bad. If it was forced CA, NRC, that was also bad as per law. And using religion as a political tool is also not correct. But then forced conversion, the law already existed. And if somebody was flouting the law, that was again unlawful, and it is the job of the government to see to it that whatever the law is being followed.
Well, Rishabh is with us for more on that. Rishabh, that clearly shows how there are political parties who may come in the support, not calling it forceful in a way, but saying that when it comes to conversions, that is something which is allowed, not forceful conversions by the Indian Constitution. But the Supreme Court has said that it is very serious, which affects the security and the nation of the freedom of religion and conscience.
So, Amrita, if you see, this is a catch-22 situation for the parties that have been branding forced conversion as a bogey, or calling it, individual choice. Now Supreme Court has come down heavily on forced conversion, calling it a big problem. And now, since yesterday, all the parties which have been, calling forced conversion a myth or bogey or an agenda have gone silent on the issue. Also, if you remember, when Karnataka government got in the anti-conversion bill, Congress was on the forefront calling it an anti-people bill and communal bill and whatnot. But now when Supreme Court has come down on the basis of evidence, on the basis of facts and figures, these parties have gone silent. It's not only Congress but a lot of other political parties in the country who have been attacking such bills or attacking any such issue that were raised by one particular political party. So definitely, if you see, it is a catch-22 situation for the political parties. Remains to be seen whether they'll do course correction from here after Supreme Court.
So clearly, of course, the court will not be taking any political sides, but it has been saying that it is better that the Union of India make their stand clear and file a counter on what further steps can be taken to curb such forced conversions. That is what the bench had said yesterday. For the moment, Rishabh, thanks very much for joining in. In related updates that is coming in, let's talk about the state of Madhya Pradesh, because there is a shocking case of alleged conversion conversion that has now come to light from Madhya Pradesh's Damo, where a case of religious conversion of 3 children, minors, that has been now registered, as the police say that the offence has been registered against 10 members of the religious organization for carrying out alleged forceful conversions. Now what is being said that the operator of the center, who changed the religion of 3 children and had changed their names as well on Aadhaar cards, he himself has made the claim that he is the guardian of the children, and thereafter he has changed the name on their Aadhaar cards. One of the children was reportedly named Shahrukh. So what is being said that there is rampant religious conversion that seems to be taking place. This one is coming to light from Damo in Madhya Pradesh.
वो बच्चे तुम्हारे नहीं है, चोरी के हैं सर, ऐसा कुछ प्रूफ लेके आओ। तो हम प्रूफ लेके, सर हमारे पास कुछ नहीं था, आंगनवाड़ी में नाम दर्ज थे बच्चों के, आंगनवाड़ी को लेके गया, लेकिन उसकी नहीं मानी गई। अध्यक्ष साहब ने बताई कि मुस्लिम नाम से आधार कार्ड बन चुके हैं। तो रायसेन से एक मैडम गई थी, क्रिश्चियन है, उनने हमको बीओ में बुलाया था भोपाल। वहाँ पर हमारे सिग्नेचर लेके फ़ोन नंबर दिया था, बोला था आप 8 दिन में बात करना हमसे। 8 दिन बाद में हमने बात की तो मैडम ने ये बोला कि तुम्हारे बच्चे मिल नहीं पाएंगे।
तो अब आप क्या चाहते हो? बच्चे
चाहे
रख लोगे आप?
नहीं, मुस्लिम नाम से नहीं रखेंगे सर।
अभी वर्तमान में जो बच्चे हैं वहाँ पर जो आधार कार्ड है, आधार कार्ड में ये उसके खुद गार्जियन बन गए, और इनने यहाँ की जांच में बच्चों के नाम हिंदू आए थे, उनने उर्फ लगा के वो हिंदू नाम भी लिखा है, लेकिन उनने इस्लामिक नाम रखे, तो खुद पिता का नाम खुद का रखा, इसलिए उनने इन बच्चों का नाम बदला है, उनका धर्म परिवर्तन भी इन्हीं ने कराया है। बहुत सारे लोग की एक कमेटी है जिसमें डीजे और भी जज, प्रिंसिपल मजिस्ट्रेट, इन सब की एक कमेटी है, वो सब देखती है, बार बार निरीक्षण करती है। हाई कोर्ट की भी एक कमेटी है, वो भी कई बार विजिट करती है, इसलिए कि बाद भी कमियां हैं तो समीक्षा करना चाहिए।
Meanwhile, the chairperson of the National Commission for the Protection of Child Rights has now lodged an FIR against 10 individuals connected to the said missionary, the religious organization for carrying out forced conversions. Now, according to the details in the FIR, along with Madhya Pradesh State Rights Protection Commission, the member of the said hostel that was being run by missionaries that was located at the Kanti bypass, with the FIR mentions that he had to wait for a long time to reach the main gate, but top officials were along with him, but still the main gate was not opened. Those are the allegations that are now being led by the Child Rights Panel.
बाइबल सोसाइटी में एक ऐसा बच्चा मिला जिसको 17 वर्ष की उम्र में डिंडोरी जिले से लेके आया गया है। उस बच्चे को पादरी बनने की ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है, उसको उसके करियर से विमुख किया गया है। उसको एक कृष्णा नाम के व्यक्ति ने यहाँ लाकर डिंडोरी से हेनरी नामक व्यक्ति को सौंपा था। प्रथम दृष्टया ये मामला चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकिंग का प्रतीत होता है। इसी प्रकार दूसरा मामला सेंट्रल इंडिया क्रिश्चियन सर्विसेज सोसाइटी का था, जो कि एक चिल्ड्रन होम चलाते थे। वो चिल्ड्रन होम पंजीकृत नहीं था। जब हम वहां पे निरीक्षण के लिए गए तो संस्था के लोगों ने ताला लगा दिया, हमको दरवाजे के अंदर नहीं आने दिया, हमारा रास्ता रोका गया, शासकीय काम में बाधा पहुंचाने का प्रयास किया गया। जाकर हमने देखा 91 बच्चों के नाम दर्ज थे, कुल 46 बच्चे हमको वहां मिले। उनमें से अधिकांश बच्चे हिंदू धर्म को मानने वाले थे, एक बच्चा मुस्लिम धर्म को मानने वाला था, सभी बच्चे दिव्यांग थे। उन बच्चों को क्रिश्चियन रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस सिखाई जा रही थी। जिन बच्चों का कोई अता पता उनके धर्म और पहचान के बारे में नहीं है, उनको भी क्रिश्चियन धार्मिक पहचान दे दी गई।
So you heard it from the NCPCR chief saying that mainly it could be a case of child trafficking, but this is not the one-off case that has been mentioned by the child rights panel chief. Several of those locations that have been mentioned in Madhya Pradesh itself, there are several findings there. Let's go through them one by one. Now the location in Raisan and MP, the 3 Hindu children allegedly converted to Islam in Madhya Pradesh Care Center. That is what is being alleged by the NCPCR chief. Let's go across and move on to finding 2. There have been several cases that have now been highlighted. Another same location that is being said that the manager apparently changed the religion of the 3 minors on the Aadhaar card. So they have been moving a step forward, not just giving them the education and another children that they have another religion that they apparently converted to, but their Aadhaar cards have been bearing new names as well. Hindu kids have been converted to Christianity in a private center. So those are the allegations. Another finding that has been made by the NCPCR chief, because he has been saying at the moment that he went to visit the child rights home, the care center, he was stopped, and he is being saying that there was deliberate attempt to stop the work as the duty of the NCPCR chief to carry out as far as his investigation is concerned. Another point is that he's mentioned that the Christian missionary hostel is not even registered. So this is another point as far as the care center is concerned, with many of the children who are specially able, how they are being forcefully converted without even their knowledge. They don't know what's happened to them. 17-year-old Hindu boy being trained to become a priest. You just heard that coming from the NCPCR chief, saying that such kind of education that has been given also to the children, where they are in a way being forced to convert and they are in a way being radicalized without their knowledge. Now a clear case of child trafficking and forced conversion that has been taking place, and this has been happening rampantly. We are talking about different locations here in Madhya Pradesh. He's talking about a particular incident that happened in Damo in Madhya Pradesh as well. So that is the findings of the NCPCR chief so far, as he has been saying that a FIR has also been registered in the case and help has also been sought from the Madhya Pradesh State Commission to look into the matter. We'll be also going into the details of the story in a big way after a short break. Stay tuned.